SciSparc is developing innovative solutions to improve the lives of people suffering from central nervous system disorders. And here to tell us more is Dr. Zuloff-Shani, Chief Technical Officer of SciSparc. Good morning, Doctor. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Well, it's morning here. What time is it there in Tel Aviv?
It's now 7:30 p.m.
Oh my goodness, so you're kind of late for us. We appreciate this. Let's talk a little about SciSparc. Give me a little history about SciSparc.
Okay, so SciSparc, I joined SciSparc as Chief Technologies Officer in 2016, and we are developing cannabinoid-based treatments for central nervous system disorders, such as Tourette, Autism, Paine, etc.
So, and let's talk about the, of course, disorders. And you just mentioned a few right there. How do people get these disorders?
So most of the indications we are pursuing, the disorders are, it's kind of neurodevelopmental diseases. So it's a hybrid of genetics issue and also some mutation. We hope to be able to bring a solution that will help those people, because there's a huge unmet need around those disorders, and there's nothing very good today on the market. So we are very excited about that.
Yeah, and it's just amazing that you're there in Tel Aviv, I'm here in America, and working together for this is so important. So let's talk a little about how important these treatments are, and working with the different people you have on your team to make this possible for those people.
Right. So in few words, I just want to explain what we are doing, because I think that most of the people heard about medical cannabis and the potential that medical cannabis might have for certain diseases, but there's some issues treating patients with medical cannabis, because there's the issue of inconsistency, there's the issue of tolerance that the body develops, and then there's the issue of adverse events associated with medical cannabis or cannabinoids. So we decided that we want to combine one kind of cannabinoid, which is the active ingredient in the cannabis plant, and mix it with another compound that will actually allow us to reduce the effective dose of the treatment that we are developing, and by that to avoid as much as possible the adverse events associated with the treatment.
Yeah, wow, that is so amazing. And again, you said right there is that a lot of people try to fix their problems with cannabis, not knowing how to actually work that. And your company coming together to help those people, because we are understanding that more and more people are turning to cannabis to take care of these kind of disorders. And so it's amazing you guys are doing this. What is the future of this? What are you guys looking to hopefully achieve as you guys move down this path?
So we are hoping to achieve to receive actually an FDA approval for our products. That's the pathway that we have decided to walk in, because as I said, we're a pharmaceutical company, and we want to bring to the market safe, effective, and consistent products, and that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing every day.
Doctor, that's just so amazing, and it's incredible just that we find these companies that are doing this to help people with certain disorders, and especially this one here, the central nervous disorder. So, Doctor, please tell us more about what you guys are working on, because I know there's some other things that you guys have started to really focus in on.
Right. So recently started a collaboration with actually with a Canadian-based company named Clear Mind Medicine. They are develop psychedelic-based treatments. They're a pharmaceutical company, obviously, and they have a compound that they are developing for alcohol use disorder. And we found that one of the compounds that we are developing, named Canamide, together with this with their product, we actually see a synergistic effect, and we saw that the combination is very useful in for alcohol use disorder. We tried it on animal studies, on mice models, and we saw a very good reaction to the treatment. And just recently, we also found very amazing discovery, actually. We were very surprised. We did not expect it. We saw that this combination can also be effective for cocaine treatment. And we were very excited when we understood that, or when we saw the results of the study. And that's because today there is no dedicated treatment for cocaine. And although there's a pandemic of cocaine usage and there's a lot of overdoses around cocaine, there's no dedicated treatment. So we are very excited about those two recent findings, and we do hope to continue and to continue the investigation around that.
Yeah, wow, that's so amazing. Okay, so where can people find more information about SciSparc?
So obviously on our website, SciSparc.com, and also we are traded on NASDAQ. SPRC is our symbol, and there's a lot of information. Please follow us.
So perfect. Doctor, I appreciate you joining us this morning for us and your evening there. So thank you.
Thank you so much for having me. Have a nice day.